All right, you guys, so from the first look, this is pretty big. Let's go ahead and check it out. All right, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m., Monday through Sunday. Let's go ahead. Oh, this is nice. As soon as you first walk in, you have your little religious figures. Let me go ahead and check out these statues real quick. It's not that heavy, but the price on this one is 40 bucks. That is not bad. All right. Go ahead, they got pots here. As soon as you walk in the store, they got a whole bunch of stuff. Some nice pillows, relax, and replenish. And this is a big store, you guys. So this may be a long video. If not, I will break it down. All right, so we got pots and pans. I'm gonna try to go at a decent pace for everyone. Very nice, very cool. $50 for that. Look like outdoor furniture. This is a nice little outdoor set. It says $649 just for the sofa, $400 for the chair, $249 for this little ottoman, $149 for the table. So you're reaching a little over what? A little over 1,000. Probably could make this yourself because as you look, nice wood, sanded down, stained. So you could kind of make this yourself. It ain't nothing. This ain't nothing too much, nothing too intricate. Nice little chair right here, $600. All right, hey, they got a lot of furniture. And you guys, I am kind of walking past this side, so I'm gonna try to get y'all on both sides. They got pots, a whole lot of big pots. Buy one, get one, 50% off all pots. Let's see how big this umbrella. Dang, all this garden stuff, you guys. Wow, $139, that is not bad. Put another statue right here. It looks kind of nice, 40 bucks. That's a nice little setup right there for somebody's outdoor. That umbrella is actually a good price. I am not gonna lie to you. So what do we have here? I am not sure if that's that, but yeah, this is a nice little set. Is this? Yeah, that's metal or aluminum. All right, you guys, let me get back to this side. Okay, so we have pots, big pots, very, very big pots. As y'all can see, ooh, this is nice. This would be nice for a little water feature outside. Hey, I like this. Ooh, that's ceramic or something. This is nice. I like this pot. Hold on, you guys. Let me figure out how much this would cost. $139. That's not bad. This is a nice pot if you want to do like one of those water features that, you know, overflows or whatever. This would be something nice and new for the garden. Maybe this year, maybe. Thinking about it. I'm going to put all my stuff back because I don't want no problems with no employees. You guys, they have some nice pots. Sorry if I'm missing anything. Just wanted to show y'all this store. All right, this is a nice little cool pot. And it's plastic. Plastic is good. That means it's not heavy. Wow. Look at that. That is big. I could not fit this on my patio. It'll take up too much room. All right, we got a lot of square footage to cover. Let me go a little bit faster. All right, you guys, so let's get back out here to what we was doing. All right, so we have umbrellas, dog statue, which looks nice. $199 for this fire pit. It's not bad, not bad. Outdoor heater, which is summertime, so we don't really need that. And there we go. Here we go, you guys. 89 bucks. 89 bucks right there. And you can have yourself a nice bird bath right here. $89. And you guys, it says easy assemble. This is nice. I think that is glass. No, ceramic. What does it say? Y'all can hear it. It's not plastic. All right. So there you go. There you go. Somebody asked me that question the other day where I got my bird baths from. And once again, I got mine from Pier 1. And if you go to Athome, if you have one close to you, there you go. You got black, you got white, blue and green. And on here it shows you the colors. Well, basically the colors that are available that they have. And $89 is not bad. At Pier 1, mine was like 100 and something. But since they was going out of business, they had an going out of business sale. So I got mine for $50 bird bath. So yeah. All right, so we're still going back here and we have a lot to cover, a whole lot. So you have a fire pit right here, which looks pretty cool. I actually like this. You have these right here. Oh, here it goes right here. That's plastic, I think. We'll have to come back here. Stack chimney, in which, I don't know. Can you put this on fire? No. Is this design? I don't know if I'm lighting anything up in that. Don't trust that one. But it's heavy though, that's for sure. All right, moving on. All right, so you have a whole bunch of outdoor pillows, cushions, and umbrellas. Guys, this store is just humongous. All right, here we go. More pots. Ooh, would you look at this? Clearance. This is the section that I like. So, clearance. 50% off. 50% off. Clearance is okay. It's nothing to drool over as far as pots go. Okay, you guys, so I got sidetracked on that one. Sorry, my apologies. That's what happens when I step into the clearance aisle. You got covers for your outdoor furniture. Here we have more outdoor activities. Now, I'm not saying they the best prices or nothing, but if you need a homeowner store like Home Depot, but with, decor, then this is the place to be. All right, I'm not gonna walk around all the way in the back. It's more outdoor stuff, you guys. I might break this down in parts. I might chop up some things. Sorry if I'm walking too fast, but here's some outdoor furniture. Side tables. Oh, aluminum. Okay, that's nice. You got kitchen stuff, nice tables, 25% off. That's not for that. 500. Seem like regular prices that be at. Oh well. No, that's 300. They got a nice little chair here. Book antique. Oh, interesting. We got chairs over here. If you have an island, this will be nice. If you have a bar, I'm pretty sure they got the bar chairs. They actually turn, but oh, this is nice. I like this. Oh, mattresses. Okay. Well, you guys, they got mattresses. Quick scheme back here. So they got little tables in the back, little stands, dressers, and stuff like that. Mini couches, $700 for that little couch. $600. Look like futons. It looked like it. I actually like this couch. This looks nice and comfortable. All right, let me get up out of here. This is all your home stuff over here. Towels, more couches, and which that couch looked broke. Somebody must have broke that couch. Ottomans, if you need an ottoman at the end of your bed. This is like a TJ Maxx for your home only. All the kitchen stuff they have. They even got where you can put your own chalk on it, which is cool. Paper towel holders, a whole lot of them. They have a lot of kitchen stuff, you guys. I mean, a whole lot. If you want to get yourself a new set, $20. All right, moving on. Oh, for the grill. Oh, okay. I might have to come back because I need to be in this section for this summer. Bug zapper. Yes. If y'all see one of my videos, you know I was going to war with a bee in the garage. Well, at least 5 bees in the garage. We got bathroom stuff right here. You have your hampers if you wash your clothes. If you don't wash clothes, then you don't really care. If you only watch me for tools, then you probably don't care about watching this. But if you watch me for home products, inside the home or the garden and lawn and stuff, then you will love this little tour that I'm giving y'all. If you go to Hobby Lobbies, this seems like a Hobby Lobby but on steroids. All mirrors and stuff. I'm not going to get too deep into that. Just know that they have mirrors here, posters, okay, clocks, if you still into that, little knickknacks, if y'all still call it knickknacks. I know the old heads call it knickknacks. All right, Okay, we have extension cord, but no tools, you guys. I don't believe they have tools. Let me go ahead and see. Oh, lamps, if y'all still into that. Oh, this is nice. This is nice. I like that. And it is it wood? No. Sound like aluminum. All right. So you do have posters. Nice, cool posters. I do a little quick poster view for y'all. So like a nice area. I like animals. Y'all know I like animals. This is nice. All right. This elephant picture is nice. I like this. 20 bucks. It's not that bad. Let me go ahead and check out this middle aisle with the rest of the garden stuff, and then we're done. You have your American decor, and let's go down these aisles real quick. You have your I guess you call them gnomes or whatever you call them. Oh, this is nice. Look like a little, is it a birdhouse? I guess it'd be a birdhouse. This is nice, so you'll know the birds in there by the jiggle. Oh, these are little cool stuff to have. I actually like this. I know, I'm a weirdo, you guys. I know. All right, so that's cool. Something to look into. Here I go. More outdoor stuff. Relax. And that's what I'm doing today. Relax. I know some people like mushrooms in their garden and stuff, right? Here we go. What the heck is this? Oh, it's a steak table. This is very interesting. Endless amount of decorations when it comes to this. Endless. And what the heck do we have here? Oh, okay. Don't really have a bell in it, but it's a nice decoration. Little pots. Welcome to our garden. All right, where we at? What we doing, you guys? Home sweet home for the bird. Now, y'all know I got bird feeders, but I never was too fond of having a bird house. That's just me. I was just never the bird house guy. I was the bird feeder type of person. But hey, if you like bird houses, they have some nice stuff here for you. Oh, you can have little plastic pavers for yourself. All right, you guys, so I'm at the 30-minute mark right now. I didn't know it was going to take this long, but if I'm showing y'all everything, then yeah. So there you go, a lion. $169. These are $100 right here. Prayer frog. Always wanted this, the prayer frog. Switch out the garden, take the pot out, put a different pot in, blah, blah, blah. They have nice, cool decorations. Steak bird houses, and you stick it right into the ground. Y'all kind of get the point of what this store has in it. Right. All right, you guys. Now, this stuff is something that really is not for me. Okay. I think I'll make my own because my pots outside are heavy. So I will need custom casters for that. So let's go ahead and wrap this video up. All right, you guys, so that is it. This store, as you can see, I was going real fast and it took me damn near 30 minutes just to scheme through what I schemed through. So to be honest with y'all, if y'all in here and y'all doing regular shopping, you may take longer than an hour. You may be in here for 5 hours. So just be prepared when you go in here, and that will be it. Like, comment, and subscribe.